Welcome to System Science and Economic Growth. The Earth is finite and is a closed system. For this video, the key idea for system science and economic growth is idea number 10. Perpetual economic growth is unsustainable. In this video, you will learn what matter enters the Earth system, what matter exits the Earth system, why the Earth is finite, what a closed system is, and what an open system is, and why the Earth is a closed system. Finite versus infinite. Finite means having a boundary, a limit, or an end. A finite system is not able to grow continuously. Infinite means having no boundary, limit, or end. An infinite system is able to grow continuously. The exosphere is the upper boundary of the Earth. Earth's atmosphere has 5 layers. The outermost layer is the exosphere. Its altitude is 6,200 miles. There is a flow of matter out of the Earth. Some hydrogen, helium, and oxygen escapes the Earth's gravitational pull and leaks into space from the exosphere. This leakage is minuscule compared to the mass of the Earth. There is a flow of matter into the Earth. Dust from space flows into the Earth system. More research is needed to determine how much space dust falls to Earth each year. However, it appears that the amount is not statistically significant compared to the mass of the Earth. The Earth is essentially finite. NASA scientists have used technologies on satellites to measure the change in the radius of the Earth. The estimated average change was 0.004 inches, or 0.1 millimeters, per year, or about the thickness of a human hair, a rate considered statistically insignificant. Thus, the Earth is essentially finite. Closed systems versus open systems. Another way to differentiate systems is by the flow of energy and matter into and out of the systems. Now we'll learn about closed and open systems. What is a closed system? In a closed system, energy enters and leaves the system, but matter does not. We'll use this closed box to represent a closed system. Matter is contained in the box. Matter does not leave or enter. Energy, however, flows into and out of the box. What is an open system? In an open system, both energy and matter enter and leave the system. We'll put an open system within a closed system. Here's a closed box for the closed system. We'll use an open-top box for the open system. Matter flows into and out of the open system from the closed system. Energy flows into the closed system, through the open system, and then out of the closed system. The Earth is solar powered. The Earth absorbs solar radiation. This warms the Earth. The Earth emits heat into space. The flow of matter into and out of the Earth. The amount of gas leaving the atmosphere is tiny. The amount of space dust entering the atmosphere is also tiny. The net amount of matter leaving and entering the Earth system is insignificant compared to the mass of the Earth. Here is why the Earth is essentially a closed system. There is essentially no net change in the amount of matter within the Earth system. Thus, the Earth is not growing. Basically, the matter within the Earth system stays within that system. The Earth is finite. The exosphere is the boundary of the Earth system. Solar energy flows into the Earth system. This heats up all the matter within the Earth system. The Earth re-radiates that solar energy as infrared radiation back into space. Thus, the Earth is a closed system in which energy enters and leaves the system, but matter does not. Takeaways. The Earth is finite and is a closed system. Finite means having a boundary, a limit, or an end. A finite system is unable to grow continuously. The amount of matter entering and exiting the Earth system through the exosphere is tiny. The Earth's radius is growing about a hair's width each year. The Earth is essentially not growing. It is finite. In a closed system, energy enters and leaves, but matter does not. In an open system, energy and matter enter and leave the system. The sun's energy travels into the Earth system, and infrared energy leaves the Earth system. Essentially, matter does not enter and leave the Earth system. The Earth system is a closed system. Resources. First, an online article. 5,200 tons of space dust fall on Earth each year, study finds, by Daisy Dobrievich, space.com. Next, an online article. Is Earth getting bigger over time? By Randall Munroe, The New York Times, 10 December 2019. Next, an online article. NASA research confirms it's a small world after all, by NASA. Next, a YouTube video. Open systems, closed systems, and isolated systems. Thermodynamics and Physics, by J.G., the Organic Chemistry Tutor. An online article. Earth's Atmosphere, a Multi-Layered Cake. NASA Global Climate Change. Vital Signs of the Planet, 2 October 2019. What is next in economic growth? Systems impose limits on subsystems. Thanks for watching.